Take this down to where the streets are cold and nameless. Just be sure to watch your back, 'cause they will find you and attack you without warning. Oh, there's trouble all around this place and danger in the stranger's face. If you get lost along the way, just close your eyes and softly say the silent words you never heard when you were sleeping soundly in your bed. They won't go away, they won't leave, they won't go away, they don't sleep. We have only just begun to see the future. In the corners of our eyes, a little circle will arise and start to take you. Oh, the ships are sailing in the bay, and they won't leave till they've been paid, and everyone's been bought and sold, but no one's worth their weight in gold. It's only just a feeling, but the devil has been dealing all the cards. They won't go away, they won't leave, they won't go away, they don't sleep. Don't let me take too long here, I've got a lot of things to do. These days are passing by me, I'm staring blindly at the view. I woke up one day older, just like 10,000 days before. And all at once I'm hearing a quiet knocking on my door. Lost chances, sideways glances, I will let them be pass me by, and nothing ventured, nothing gained. But all I see is loss and pain, so screw it. Once I was star-eyed shining, now I'm buzzing like a neon sign that's missing half its letters, and it's getting dimmer all the time. Oh, bells ringing, choirs singing, I will let them be without me. Moonshine and cherry wine, yeah, I will let them pass me by again. Oh, wake and sleep and drink and eat and work until I've thrown the day away. Yesterday was once tomorrow, now it's just another fading day.